That's okay.
It's not okay to take people
apart. It's not okay. But I'm saying it's okay. So I'm stand here and whatever stuff on here.
And my boyfriend's filming them too.
Thank you.
Thank you. I got another. I was like,
right.
That's right.
Because I just searched the car about 3 times.
Really? Ain't found nothing.
Nothing. So why are you still holding them if you ain't found nothing? It's ridiculous.
You know, I see brother man over there trying to be nice, friendly or whatever. Other guy playing good cop, taking people's time, you know.
Oh, you know how that is. Good cop, bad cop.
It is, but they're all bad.
But it's thank you.
Harassing poor people, harassing people, not doing anything. That's the deal. That's what they do. Out of the shame.
Like how you come to get a pizza and you get pulled over. That don't make sense.
Young black people in this house. You know, they don't even. It doesn't even have to be beating somebody down for it to be harassment and abusive. They don't have to be doing that. You know?
The woman went before months ago. She told me. Driving white car with my church. What's your So my okay. So now it's harassment. If you already know about a white man and them, you put it on. It's harassment. Yeah, they got Luchas Unidas down by there. Once they release my brother, they just had but I didn't see them. We want to still search that car. You
don't have to talk to them. You're under arrest or being detained. You have to say anything. Don't talk to them.
Are you going to take a no? Why do you have that information? Let them go. If you don't have fun like that, time them. If you want to take off and right now, probation, that's why you take
Search it 3 times. It's not right, you know? It's not right.
Okay, so you need to let all of them go. And I said, why did you search my car? You said, I don't know. This is on probation. I don't know this. So my thing is, you guys can search the car. I didn't go. This is like the second time that it searched the whole car. But the first one they found nothing. Why do y'all still have them under arrest? I don't trust them because they playing cheap.
I don't trust them either. I know about Rampart. Wasn't that long ago? Wasn't that long ago?
It wasn't that long ago. I'm waiting.
That's right. So let's go hang out.
And I'm like, I told my mom, don't know how to pass stripes. But y'all not going to get y'all stripes tonight.
No.
Not tonight.
You don't have to say anything to them. They can act nice, but you see they're taking up your time for no reason. Taking up your time. You never get these hours back.
And see it.
That's the same thing here. Drive by, saw, I was like, oh, come on now. They're trying, looking high and low.
High and low.
High and low.
And that's what they
Please have something. Please have something.
When we first pulled up, they were searching the trunk. Why are you still searching the trunk? If you didn't find nothing the first time, why are you still searching it? Just like you trying to find something. If you are, and to me, when you pull them all out, they give you the name. Run their name. If there ain't nothing on their name, and let them go. Oh. Oh, yeah. They ain't got nothing to do with them. Hold on. Here on the corner, they were like Ryan and the other guy ended up on the corner. So this one Ryan's house, by God's market. They have I don't know. They don't run it too close. All right, I'm talking to her. We'll call you back. Huh? Yeah, he's coming away.
we're just gonna ask them questions
But they already
and then see if their stories add up. They haven't even done anything wrong.
Oh, okay, they got him on the side.
Anything to they have a right to remain silent.
No, for real. Yeah, so they're gonna do the right thing. But one thing is, you already searched the car, let them all go. If they had warrants, you would have been took them.
It would be right. It would have been open and shut, so you know nothing different and nothing wrong.
My son.
Yep, that's right. We're gonna tell the truth, unafraid.
Thank you.
Unafraid to tell the truth.
When I call on my way there. They won't let us even get that quiet. They tell me stand back.
No, the young men shouldn't be talking to them.
Yeah, they have a right to remain silent.
They have a right to remain silent.
What is it? You have the right to remain.
You have a right to remain silent. Police told me that.
Oh, is that a law and order? Wait, the police told me that too.
Police told me that. They told me I have a right
to
remain silent and not say anything, not even engage in the jokes and jibber jabber, whatever else.
As we conversate and search the car,
incriminate yourself when you haven't even done anything wrong.
Thank you.
Not one thing. Not one thing.
But as long as we're gonna even search this car, I know they didn't run their name, so let them go.
Just gonna hang out. Good.
That's what I'm saying. If they ran your name and y'all don't got shit, let y'all go. Y'all, they done searched the car about 4 times now. You want me to come here? Is that what that means? Oh, because in the hood, that's what that means. Come here. I'll come to you.
Oh, they brought more. Brought more to get nothing.
That's what I'm saying. It's only one person with stripes. He got 2. And y'all trying to get y'all stripes on my brother.
We need more police for these unarmed black men.
Right? Go. Stop being nosy.
Oh, maybe they should be nosy. Yeah, get in the business. You're not doing nothing. Get in the business.
Because I know y'all done ran all their names. If nothing came up, then let them go.
It's true.
What? Girl, I didn't watch Law and Order enough.
Jump Street. They're already trying to keep us. We got to try a different tactic.
My son has enough issues and he's quiet, so because he used to be more.
Good. I'm glad he is quiet. Because that's what you should be.
Yeah.
So the community can speak up. Happens all the time.
And this is ridiculous.
Shame.
And that same female cop is the one that pulled him over there and said, why they not driving in the white car? Why he gonna drive in his car? Why not the white car? You know what I'm saying?
Drive in whatever car he wants to if he's the driver, has the consent.
And that's crazy. They're gonna put him in a white car and then y'all pull him over in a white car.
Where she goes?
She's right there.
I can't even see her.
Writing something down. Probably writing things that we're saying.
Look, she said writing the things that we are saying.
Probably, I'm sure. These concerned citizens are bothering us.
Right.
We're trying to harass these young men.
Last time they stopped and I got in the murder. They had about 8 police cars, 16 police officers. And then they let them all go. And I said, you know what, somebody got been committing a murder and somebody's getting raped. Y'all got 4 kids hemmed up on the corner, 8 police officers, 8 cars with 16 police officers. And you
for
guys,
no reason.
For no reason.
Right, and they got people shooting up schools and shooting them down.
Yep.
I can go in the house and watch the news. But my thing is, I can go in the house and watch the news and be like, y'all should have been over there.
That's right.
You know what I'm saying?
Because they want to intimidate people. They want to intimidate certain sectors of society. And one of those sectors is black people and black men. That's what they want to do.
And that's
Ticketing
crazy.
people, harassing them, making it look like some kind of dirt is going on. People are looking around, thinking that something bad is going on.
And the ones you expect,
and it's not.
But the ones you expect is the ones that ain't doing nothing. It's the ones you don't expect.
Yeah.
It's the ones that's doing something.
Because that's what I think it is. That's what I think. And they want other people in this community to think that these guys did something and be afraid and nervous about black people. That's what I think they're trying to do.
That's what I was saying. Shoot up schools, places. What the hell?
For real. No one's talking about that.
Yeah. I mean, every 36 hours, one of them kills a black man anyways.
Sit here, right?
It's true. That's right. Malcolm X Grassroots Movement.
Huh? So go sit in front of this car?
Yeah, right. Sarah is awesome.
Shut up.
It's just a real shame. It is. It's a real shame.
I'm gonna put the reverse on my ass. It's gonna be a whole new case.
Yep. Yeah. That's right. You don't have to say anything. I know it's frustrating. Go look and take off the cuffs. Because I do nothing.
You know, they had to give us their badge numbers if you asked them.
And they live around the freaking corner. You know, they always get they try to move it. They always get time out of damn car.
Really? How many times they didn't stop in a year period?
Oh shit.
More than 5?
You might want to start that.
No, and I said a year period. In a 12-month
I can't
period.
even. Yeah. Hello. Yeah. For who? Oh, Sean Friend Gwen? Oh. Okay. Yeah. You tell her we already down here? Oh, they can make takes. All right. Let me call you.
Harassed, young,
What the hell?
black
I
men,
can't
and
see.
people of color. That's what they're
Is
doing
that
right
lady
now.
from
They're
I
letting
asked
them
you
all
about
go
her?
in about 5
You're
minutes.
saying you
because
know
of
you ain't seen her in a while and
It's a
stuff?
shame. I don't know what neighborhood it is.
No,
Black
I
or
can't see.
brown, it's a shame.
They let us Sean sitting on the curb. They told her to sit down. She was sitting in front of the regular car. They told her to move down and sit in the other car.
Showing up.
They let somebody go. They let somebody go.
That's interesting. Most places are like that. Harassment is brutality. Harassment is police brutality.
Look, I got eyes everywhere.
Okay.
But I do.
Almost. You still live in this society.
Look, Mom, I even got groceries driving. Like, if it ain't my brother, I'm just there. You don't.
And Ryan said, somebody went Gwen came to the house. I said, who? Ryan's friend.
Any questions, ma'am?
Yes. Oh, then my son. I was
Any questions?
I don't know what happened.
You gotta say 20 feet.
Told your son and the other guys that right?
Let's see. What's officer's name?
Quill.
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 But we drove by and seen them all pulled over.
21254.
My main concern was go.
Badge number is what?
21254.
Thank you.
Have a good night.
Uruhu!
So y'all finna walk?
Yeah. I wish him a good night, except having a good night means harassing my people.
They wait for you. Painting.
Yeah. You know exactly how it goes.
Every day to me. They do this every day.
And it's all the same. She been pulled over for nothing.
She done seen about 20 of them.
She asked me how many times. I said, girl, I can't even tell
Are
you
you
how many
serious?
times. Oh,
And
yeah.
just and what, like more than 5, more than 10?
Oh, yeah.
Every year.
More than 10?
It never fails. They waited for us to come on my
What they
property.
put? What they put you over for?
No, they circled around the
No, that's okay. You can be wherever you want to circle around.
They parked across the street and waited for us to come out. I guess probably like hours.
You can be wherever you want to be. It's not about where you're at. It's about their behavior and choosing to harass you for no reason. That's why they're bouncing right now. They have nothing.
But the lady
It's a shame.
She was there, huh? The lady girl.
Yeah, she that's the one that always that know us and all that. That's why
She
we
was
like,
there.
Shame.
The whole time. Why you
Shame on
nobody
all of you.
Hi, friend. I already know. You walked up the stairs, my brother already told me. When came and said they got your brother pulled over.
Shame. Yeah.
Everywhere on this thing, they in my brother.
Like if they was going to come, y'all.